नमस्कार दोस्तों, इनकम टैक्स लॉ अपडेट में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, एनुअल इंफॉर्मेशन स्टेटमेंट जैसा आप लोगों ने इस बार देखा कि इनकम टैक्स साइट पोर्टल पे आपको एनुअल इंफॉर्मेशन स्टेटमेंट और टैक्स इंफॉर्मेशन समरी जनरेट हो रहा है, जिसमें आपको फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहे हैं। तो ये एनुअल फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन स्टेटमेंट में कौन कौन से ट्रांजेक्शन रिफ्लेक्ट होंगे, तो यहाँ पर 46 फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजेक्शन है जो आपको इसमें रिफ्लेक्ट होंगे और इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स वेल्थ में इसको एक आर्टिकल के रूप में दिया गया है। तो आइए हम लोग जानते हैं कि कौन कौन ट्रांजेक्शन है जो आपको एनुअल इंफॉर्मेशन फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट में रिफ्लेक्ट होंगे। सबसे पहला जो ट्रांजेक्शन है सैलरी, आपको 26 एस में भी सैलरी का डिटेल मिलता था, उसमें अमाउंट पेड और क्रेडिटेड और टीडीएस कितना कटा है उस पर वो दिखता था। तो एआईएस में भी इंफॉर्मेशन शो होगा, आपका सैलरी अमाउंट पेड और टैक्स कितना डिडक्टेड है ये शो होगा। ये टैन ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयर एंड पैन ऑफ द एम्प्लॉय बताया शो होगा। अमाउंट मेंशन इन एआईएस जो है विल बी ग्रॉस सैलरी होगा, उसमें रिफ्लेक्ट होगा, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल एग्जिम्ड अलाउंसेस, including individual will be required to claim exemption and deduction as applicable while filing income tax return। तो ये जो टोटल ग्रॉस सैलरी जो होगा वो रिफ्लेक्ट होगा यहाँ पे। दूसरा रेंट रिसीव्ड, तो इस सेक्शन में क्या होगा कि रेंट रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेज, जिसमें यू हैव given your PAN to your tenant and your tenant has given PAN to his employer to claim HRA exemption। इस केस में आपका रेंट रिसीव्ड इसमें रिफ्लेक्ट होगा। इस साल तो आपका 26 एएस और एआईएस में ये रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था, लेकिन ये रिफ्लेक्ट होगा अगर आपने अपना पैन नंबर अपने एम्प्लॉयर को दिया है, तो आपका रेंट रिसिप्ट भी रिफ्लेक्ट होगा। इफ़ यू आर रिसीविंग रेंट ऑफ 50,000 और मोर पर मंथ, तो उस केस में आपको अलग से टीडीएस काटना होता है टीनेट को और स्टेटमेंट सबमिट करना पड़ता है। तो वहाँ पर भी आपको रेंट रिसिप्ट का डिटेल जो है जिस ऑनर के एआईएस में शो होगा। If you have received rent from land, building, machinery, etc., where TDS has been deducted at the rate of the 10%, वो reflect होगा। As per the new tax portal, information for rent received will be summed up at PAN level. Similarly, employer report the PAN of the landlord to whom rent is paid by the employee in Annexure 2 of the TDS statement. The sum of the rent received from all tenants will be reflected in the taxpayer information summary. Balance in account, opening of the account other than the saving account or fixed deposit, recurring deposit account will be shown in the AIS। मतलब opening of the account other than saving or fixed deposit will be shown in the AIS for the bank account with balance exceeding 50,000 at the closing of the financial year will be reflected in AIS। That's a good. Cash deposit. Cash deposit made in the current account will be reflected in the AIS. Also, cash deposit made in other account reported by the financial entities mandated to do so under the tax law will be reflected in the AIS. Form 61A has to be filed by the reporting agency, that including bank, cooperative bank, post office, NBFC. Fifth, cash withdrawal. Cash withdrawal from current account will be reflected in AIS. Also, cash withdrawal from other accounts reported by financial entities such as bank, cooperative banks, post office mandated to show under income tax law will be reflected in AIS. Next, credit debit card. Any credit debit card issued to you during the financial year will be reflected in AIS. 7. It will show dividend received by you from equity share mutual fund for the tax deducted by the company. Mutual fund houses will also be reflected in the AIS. Dividend income will be listed on the basis of the PAN of the reportee, information source and value. 8. Interest from saving bank. Interest paid, credited, or accrued on saving account held by you during the financial year is reported to the AIS. Do keep in mind the interest earned from saving account is taxable in your hand. However, you are allowed to claim deduction of up to 10,000 under Section 80 double TA except for the senior citizen and super senior citizen. Senior citizen claim 50,000. तो यहाँ पर इस साल भी अब रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा था, लेकिन बहुत से बैंक के इंटरेस्ट जो हैं सेविंग के रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हो रहे थे। तो इस मतलब कमिंग जो है फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2021-22 का में ये पूरा रिफ्लेक्ट होना शुरू हो जाएगा। Purchase of the time deposit, if you have made any investment in the time deposit, जैसे बैंक fixed deposit, then such investment will be reflected in AIS. Reporting entity include bank, NBFC, post office. 10. Interest from deposit. This section include interest received by the individual from various deposit like fixed deposit, RD. If any tax has been deducted, then it will be reflected as well. Reporting entities such as bank inform the income tax department about the interest paid, credited, accrued on fixed deposit and recurring deposit. Reporting entities include bank, post office, etc. Interest from fixed deposit and RD are fully taxable. However, senior citizens and super senior citizen can claim deduction of 50,000 under Section 80 TTB. This section covers interest received from saving account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, post office scheme. 11th, purchase of securities and units of the mutual fund. Buying of shares, bond, mutual fund units, etc. will be reflected in AIS. Information related to purchase of the mutual fund is reported to the income tax department by the AMC. 12. Sale of the securities of the units and mutual fund. Registrar and transfer agent and depository report sale transaction based on PAN, name and other details of an individual to the income tax department. The capital gains accrued from the sale of the unit of the mutual fund will be classified on the basis of the holding period. The capital gains will be reflected in the AIS. Interest from other sources. If you receive the interest from sources other than saving account, term deposit, RD, then such interest information will be reported to the income tax department by the paying entity. The interest income received from these other sources will also be listed in your AIS. Cash payment. Cash payment made for goods and services, purchase of the bank draft or pay order or the banker check, prepaid, instrument in cash, bullion and jewelry will be reflected in the AIS. Wherever these payments are made to the reporting entity are mandated under the law. Receipt of accumulated balance of the PF from employer under section 111. If you have withdrawn from provident fund account or have received an accumulated balance from your employer, then the amount received will be reflected in the AIS. Do keep in mind that if you have withdrawn more than 50,000 before the completion of the 5 years of service, then TDS will be deducted on the account. If the withdrawal is made before completion of the 5 years of continuous service, then the entire amount received will be taxable. If withdrawn after 5 years, it will be exempt from tax. 16. Receipt from the life insurance policy. Receipt from the life insurance policy are exempted from the tax deduction under section 10 clause 10D, provided certain conditions are met. If the conditions are not met, then receipt will be taxable and TDS will be deducted as well. Amount received from the life insurance policy will be shown in the AIS. If the proceeds are tax exempt, then you can report the same while filing income tax return. लेकिन सेल्फ प्रोड्यूस वहाँ पर आपको रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. 17. Withdrawal of the deposit from the National Saving Scheme. NSC is also known as the Post Office Saving Scheme. Money received from this scheme, either prematurely withdrawn or at the time of the maturity, will be reflected in the AIS. Interest from income tax refund तो इनकम टैक्स से आपका जो रिफंड है उसको रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. इंटरेस्ट इज कैलकुलेटेड एट द रेट ऑफ 0.5% पर मंथ. द इंटरेस्ट रिसीव्ड ऑन द इनकम टैक्स रिफंड इज टैक्सेबल इन द हैंड्स ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल एंड टैक्सेस एज इनकम फ्रॉम अदर सोर्सेज. If any such refund is received, then it will be reflected in the AIS also. 19. Purchase of the foreign currency. Foreign currency purchase for the buying equity shares, debt instrument, real estate, etc., or opening of bank account abroad, or for travel, for pilgrimage, medical treatment, education, etc., will be reflected in the AIS. इसके बाद रेंट पेमेंट. AIS will not only show the rent received by you but also rent payment made by you provided tax has been deducted at the time of making payment. If you are making monthly rent of the 50,000 or more, then you are required to deduct tax at the rate of the 5% on the payment made. As a tenant, the total amount paid by you as rent will be reflected in AIS in this situation. 21. Foreign travel. Purchasing of overseas tour package or payment made in connection with the foreign travel is reflected in the AIS. Purchase of the immovable property during the financial year. If you have bought any immovable property such as house, land, building, etc., then such purchase will be reflected in AIS. 23. Receipt from the transfer of immovable property. The amount received from the sale of the immovable property such as houses, etc., will be reflected in the AIS. The information will be sourced from Form 26QB as reported by the buyer. Form 16B will be issued to the seller for the tax deducted on the amount paid to him or her. Tax deducted if the overall payment in respect of such property exceed 50 lakhs. 24. Receipt of the foreign remittance. Any payment received by non-resident related to the royalty or fee for technical services will be reflected in the AIS. Similarly, any other receipt of the foreign remittance such as money received due to sale of the foreign shares or dividend received from the foreign shares, etc., will be reflected in the AIS. 25th. Rent from plant and machinery. If you are receiving rent from plant and machinery where tax has been deducted at the rate of the 2%, then such information will be reflected in the AIS as well. Winning from the lottery or crossword puzzle under section 115 BB. So, winning from lottery crossword and tax deducted on it will be reflected in the AIS. Winning from horse race under section 115 BB, ये भी reflect होगा. Interest from infrastructure debt fund. Interest received from investment made in the infrastructure debt fund reflected in the AIS. TDS. At the time of receiving interest payment from infrastructure debt fund, the interest received as is taxable under the head income from other sources. 29. Interest from a specified company by a non-resident. As a non-resident, if you receive interest from a specified company under the law, then amount received will be reflected in the AIS. Further, any TDS at the time of making the payment will be reflected as well. Interest on bonds and government securities. Interest received from government securities and or bonds is taxable in the hands of the individual. Information related to interest paid will be reflected in the AIS. If tax has been deducted on the interest paid, then Form 16A will be issued to the individual by the tax deductor. Income in respect of the units of the non-resident. If a non-resident received interest income from Indian company as filed under section 115A, 1A or 2AB, then interest received will be shown in the AIS. Any tax deducted reflected in the AIS and Form 16A will be issued to the non-resident. Income and long-term capital gain from the foreign currency bonds or shares of the Indian company. Interest from Indian company or dividend from GDR as filed under section 115 AC of the Income Tax Act as received by non-resident will be shown in the AIS. Insurance commission received from selling of the insurance policy will be shown in the AIS. And 34, receipt of the commission etc. on the sale of the lottery ticket. AIS show amount of the commission received from the sale of the lottery ticket. Amount of the commission paid is reported by the payer of the commission via Form 26Q. 35. Sale of the land or building. Any amount received from the sale of the land or building will be reflected in the AIS. The amount reported in the AIS will be taken from the Form 26 QB. This is the TDS return form filed by the buyer of the property after TDS on the sale of the consideration paid to the seller. If no tax is deducted on the sale amount, then data will be collected via your PAN, which would be furnished by the transacting party. Compensation received on acquisition of immovable property from a government on the land or building acquired by the government will be reflected here as well. तो ये बड़ा अच्छा इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि कोई भी लैंड और बिल्डिंग अगर आप सेल करते हैं तो इन्फॉर्मेशन आपका रिफ्लेक्ट होगा AIS पे. Off market debit transaction, depository and registrar and transfer agent will be required to submit details of off market transaction. Shares, other security will be reflected in the AIS. Off market transaction include gifting of the share, mutual fund transmission due to death of first holder. 37. Off market credit transaction, similar off market debit transaction, off market credit transaction will be reflected in the AIS. Business receipt related to the business income will be shown in the AIS. Information here include receipt from the contract payment as reported in Form 26Q, fees for professional or technical services, any other commission or brokerage received as reported in the Form 26QD, the income received as taxable under the head income from business and profession. 39. Business expenses. Any expenses incurred in conducting business are also reflected in the AIS. Expenses that will be shown here are purchases of the alcoholic liquor, timber obtained under the forest lease or from any other mode as scraps, commission or brokerage paid, payment for professional services. 40. Miscellaneous payment. Miscellaneous payment include payment made for contract work, purchase of the bank draft or pay order, payment to hotel, life insurance premium, credit card. This payment would be reported by the entity receiving the payment subject to reporting requirement under the income tax law. Purchase of the vehicles. Purchase of the vehicle where TDS tax has been collected from purchaser at the time of buying will be reflected in the AIS. Presently, limit is 10 लाख से above का आपको vehicle अगर purchase करते हैं तो TCS collect किया जाता है. Income distributed by the business trust. Income from units of the business trust which is reported by the buyer in the Form 27Q is shown in the receipt of the AIS. And 43. Income distributed by investment fund are reported by the buyer in Form 26Q is shown in the AIS of the recipient of the income. 44. Income from the investment in the securitization trust subject to TDS, so payer reports such information in the Form 27Q on a quarterly basis. Therefore, it will be reflect in the recipient AIS. 45. Sale of the vehicle. Amount received from the sale of the vehicle will be shown in the AIS of the seller. Amount received from the sale of the vehicle ये रिफ्लेक्ट होगा आपका 26 AIS में. 46. Payment to non-resident sportsmen or a sport associated under section 115 BBA. If any non-resident sportsman or a sports association received income from the participating in any game in India other than winning from the game advertisement or contribution to articles related to game or sport in India in newspaper magazine, then such amount received will be shown in the AIS of the recipient of the income. तो ये 46 टाइप्स ऑफ द ट्रांजेक्शन हैं जो आपके AIS में रिफ्लेक्ट होंगे. अगर आपके AIS में रिफ्लेक्ट होते हैं और आपके ट्रांजेक्शन नहीं है तो आप इसको करेक्ट कर सकते हैं, मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं. उसको मॉडिफाई कर लेना चाहिए क्योंकि अगले इस फाइनेंशियल ईयर और अगले साल से इसके बेसिस पे आपके इनकम टैक्स रिटर्न चेक होंगे. तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग दिस अपडेट.